Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to stream on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So click on this user settings icon and then go to voice and video and input device. From here select your input device and select your output device, and you can change the volume. Open your Discord server where you want to start a stream and then click our voice channel and make sure to allow this. And now you will get here two options. One is video, another screen. So select screen and then click on window or tab. So I'm going to select this tab from here because I want to share my this tab, and then click on share, and here we can see my screen is started to share. And click on this option here and then click stream settings to change the windows. And to stop the streaming, simply click on stop streaming. So this is how we can stream on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.